What is up, everybody? I have a series of videos that I want to share with you. It is a new building in the making. Brand new building, not a building that I'm rebuilding or revitalizing or restoring. It is a brand new ground up building. So 3 parts of the video, 3 parts of this build. First is kind of preparation, foundation. So that's going to be in this video. The second part will be coming in a few days. That will be the walls and the framing, and then the last part is really the roof and the decking of the roof and the finish out of the building. So hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you. I am preparing to build a brand new building in the backyard. It's going to be right there, and there is nothing there now, so I'm going to do a little bit of layout, have an idea of a plan. It's going to be a 10 by 12 building, and it's going to be for expansion of current storage building, kind of moving some stuff over there and cleaning out some of the garage. So we got a good start to the layout. It's going to be a 10 by 12 building. I said that already, but it's also going to have a 4-foot deck porch on the front and on the right side of the building. Idea is that there's just a space in the front because it's going to be elevated a little bit, so place to build a ramp off of to come in and out of the building, and then maybe a garden, spot to work on the side. Today is day 1 of the new building build, and I hope to get through the foundation. I've only got a few hours to work on it, so we'll see how far I get, but kind of the key points that I want to get solid and good today are making it square, making it level, and a good solid base. So that's the goal for today. Okay, so I'm nearing completion on the foundation of the building, and I thought I would pause and give a little bit of an update, kind of explanation on what's going on and what I've done. I spent a lot of time leveling it out, and what I did is I started
I started with the front edge, and all along the front edge of the building I put the blocks, the foundational blocks, where they're on the ground and leveled and tapped in so that they're solid, not moving, not sinking or anything. So this front board is level across and straight, and I started with one corner, made sure I got a square corner, and then I just worked my way around the outside here. And you'll notice that around the outside there's a section, a smaller section, that is not supported fully anyway, but that extension is just because I didn't want these blocks sticking out from underneath the building, just more from a visual standpoint than anything else. But now that I've gotten all the square, I've been checking the level and everything. One of the things that I'm doing finally before actually getting the top of the decking down on it is going through, and for each of the supports I am putting in these posts that are attached, or not attached yet, but are sitting on the blocks, and I have drilled pilot holes with a smaller bit that is the full length of the lag bolt, and then using a little bit larger bit to go the full size, just to get them tapped in. So the bite is actually on the inside of the board and not on the outside. Foundation is all done now, and I'm getting ready to start putting the flooring down, the decking around this thing. We'll get a really good idea of the footprint of it, but this thing is rock solid. It does not shake or bounce or rock.
So that was the end of the first set of the build, which was the foundation and the preparation for really getting the rest of the building built. So I hope you enjoyed watching that and seeing how I did it. If you have any questions, let me know, post comments, and take a look at the linked video here for the second part of the build, which is the framing of the building. Thanks a lot.